Erade enanope yeda wase eya okese ehye wudin kronkron no anuonyam wo a wobewu wasendua ne so ema yenya enkwa onyame a wuwu ye na wo profession call ye na wugi nipa a wo profession esiesie nipa no Erade wo ba wiase ya nte se wo ko school na emo ye nim pa se usua wo papa adwuma a ye carpentry na Bible se wuwu ye de asendua no a ye de ball asendua mu no na eye nadoa ene entabo eno na wodi ye adwuma ti ye hu cross na ema ye nkwa na ema ye nkwa san eyeye biom Father Lord ena na pe ye gina wanum asam so ne ye bompa ye beji omanyin nkwa na beji Kristofo nkwa na beji wo mankwa na san siesie omu bibie ni wa ne yo eyo wo yo na onyame a wugi nipa na wusiesie nipa ena no pe nso befa wanum asam so je wo ma na siesie wo ma na anuonyam hye kese enka wudini ye dose ye besom wo honhom ne nukuremu beye ya adom na beye ye mmoa esanse wo na tumi nyina eye wodea ye da wase ya wokese na no payin so ewo Yesu Kristo Nazareth ni dinimu amen etiefo na no payi memamwache emamwakwaba midin de Mami Grace na wutie time with Mami Grace na no payi me pese ye ka bibi ehu hia ye papa ma ye nyina me gimidi se won so how quickly mama yen fire Bible na yen read your scriptures way. Ecclesiastes chapter 10 from verse 10 down. And I read. O sister one si wakuma na no anye namwa. Agise wo hia hoden bebrebe na wo de akuma no e de ye adwuma. Na se wo tena ho ma owo no ebeka wo wi a ne hu ayaresa na hu kwan ebeye dene ama osi onyansani nyansa ede anuonyam hye de berawurade na sebe kafra okwase nyansa okwase akasa ana okwase numu asem ebe mene ono ankasa na asem a me kan na me pese me ne Ghana mpanimfo nyina na me ne omokasa se yenya elective ne ye di wugina nipa dodo ano a na esese woma wanum nsam no ye nsam emu odu eduru baabi a ye we binum wo mo de omani pe ena kasa kire omma na omo akotena se ebi efe kire omo ano one word na obi akɔhye dem se wo betena position bi a wo kasa ena beboa wo ama wadwuma no aye easy ama wo se wo kan nsam akire nkrofo bi na se omo aye kom no mutie wa sebe enkire se nkrofo no mutie wo no munim nyansa sa wo koso dada nkrofo na fe wo tekrema na da wanum na wanum asem na esese nka ye sharp na no akum afei eduru baabi na wo ka bibie nipa mbu biom eduru baabi na wo ka bibie nipa entie biom afei eduru baabi you are not able to control people inti se wo ni nipa bekasa na obeti age se wo bre ankasa wo ma wano akum esanse wo de wano akeka nsema wo keka nyina na nipa gi wudi ni nyina no wo ma wugidie akofom se ye electiwa se wo your penina wutie mi a wo betimi testify se emra wo ba be di position na wo no na wo a vision na wo vision na wo nia wo pese wo ye wo betena konwa no so pe na niama different confront wo enti niama different confront wo pe no na afi ama wo kasa no abeye different se wo ye penina wo kɔ baabi na wo nim nia ɛwɔ baabi a wo kɔ na enhyebo esanse de awo kɔ no wonim ne ɛwɔ hɔ wo be hyebo a wonim ne yakita wani ne wo betimi aye se wo koduru baabi a wo kɔ na bibi wɔ hɔ a ɛyɛ plus for you se wo koduru baabi a wo kɔ no na bibi ani hɔ no ma you are able to do what you want to do and what you promise to do aya me ka kyerɛ nkrɔfo se enka ne wonim esanse wo ka ne wonim ɛbɛyɛ nim guase ama wo ebeduru baabi no bia beje wedi but ebeduru baabi no na ne awo kan ni nyina onye nipa nya hu se ye ntro a obia beja wo akọ afi wo kan asema obia entie biom enti se ye elective se bedim nkrofo animu a enye wadwene se obetimi apilisi wiase nipa nyina na mom you can be sincere to all people wo de mentimi nya ne nipa pese wo ye no but omo nim se wo kan no kra kire omo se sei na me ye madwene se meye sei na me wo mitirim se meye amam say any ye nkrofo communicate wo krom ha eya ye communication skills ene me kronumu ye basa wo sembra me nipa empese o mu bedi so esanse nipa adwene mu aye confused dada ye te kromu he anka ye ni bi enti woman ni party ase se ewiase na esesa na Ghana so sesa so hu se bibi bo ayedene a onim se ewiase ankasa na esesa na bibi bo ayedene mesra mu ara mu ma yenye yadwene se because ye pe bibi nti na ye waste ya hoodin nyina just to convince people what say obi na wo de convince obi na se duru wo mbre so na wantumi anya ne awo kan ye na wo ye worse than onipa na wo be say no no ena ade no eye din ma ye nyina wo krom ha ma obi ehu se ye din but wo idea wo vision ye betimi a try. Don't tell people say omu blame obi for their omu hu because ukasi ye blame obi for their yehu ne ye ba ne ye behu bibi fofora wo ba ne yehu ne yehu na afi ne ye di blame ni nyina e de ba wo so sen ene ye ne nkrofo e kasa sen ye ne nkrofo kasa wo krom ha ade we virus start ye no ye kan say krom ha ye hit inti yare no enti mimba ha inti everybody was relaxed ye gina ho ma ye kuma na no kumye sesia ye hia ahoden ne ye dia stop it dia abetu ye esan say anka we could have closed our borders immediately ye hu say I started from the upper side na eba no. I was telling people say obi ni wo betimi aka kire me say sa yare we ya be enye plague na eye man-made say ye man-made sickness abrochire weather ni ye different ye ha ye so weather eye different eye plague enye bibia eye man-made whatever it is eye plague na aba ye nyina ye so because yare be na survive every weather ashase no sa na ya adwene ye betimi ahwe ye hu yie. Say yes, so ye na bibi beto yenya. It's a plus for us. We are talking about unity and in communication. Unity and good communication. Unity and good communication. So wuni nipa kase ye no mu nyina ma dwene kwa benkroma. They are able to move mountains. They are able to confront everything. Say army for na kwa battle, say police for ni ipia. They give them instructions. They all agree on one thing. They communicate to each other. So they are able to confront at the kwa yas tumamu. So amon confront no na omo etimi ediso. Enti se mo ma ye communication skills no anye pepepe a na abeye error e de amankrofo na omo tikrom no. Sometimes se wutie news, sometimes say interview nipa ni bi na wutie omo na wote dem a na wo bisa wo ho say what's going on? What is he talking about? A lot, no matter where you sit, no position now, no. What kasama millions of people to you? Ne ebinum ni myansa o. Ebinum ni myansa papa just that they are not sitting at where you are sitting. Na eye difficult so wo bet kasa amani pe nyina ate wase. Sometimes ye interview nkrofo ni bi na wutie. Na wutifia na you look at yourself and you are like, wo feripo se obi wa brochira obeti se news we is coming from Ghana. I to say nipa na yete ha no, excuse my language, ye knowledge ni so. Yenhwe akronfo bi asem bi a e course wo bank of late. She asem no when before they will go to they omo lifted police for ni bi anombe release bi say omo nkotena fie no. Eye communication. Akronfo no ma hyedem ache. Police for ni ba abontin bebre no. Na akronfo no mu nya kwan movie enti anka ye nkomo betimi communicate in chambers the reason why I say omo parliament are sitting ewo chambers to discuss things and some omo communicate to the public enti so omo sit down omo communicate how they disperse the communication no to the public no is where the problem is. Say they are releasing 800 policemen say omo nkofie. It was an error. You communicated our shortcomings to akronfo no and omu nyina sorry ye. Now look at this thing. I heard it on radio. If I am wrong, I stand to be corrected. Enkrofo we say omu ko bank na omu ko yisikan. You see sometimes osio di kotua ne workers ka. Hoop say abantimi hyehyemra na stopping krofo ye pay omu on tables. Etimi yi workers no omo priorities bebre free omo. So when you pay a worker through the bank, the person is able to take loans from the bank. Na nipa netimi ayeye. Why do you pay your people on table? These things should stop. So obi tia obi ewo table la. It's difficult for that person to pay social security. Osi okoyi that huge amount of money, and the man was giving some excuse. I met them na meet you radio. So I was like, what is he talking about? Yeah, they are not on China. The police in na what bank ho no no. Ohun akronfo no wo moto ne so no. Ohun akronfo no wo moto ne so. Efre papa ne say me suspect sa akronfo we. He couldn't call other police people to come. And na ojai he left his duty post. And not na car mu. And odi nipa na wabeji sika na ekonechi. I mean, look at this. And when I was here listening to the news, people were saying, say, Omumbo police in Abaso, he will be in prison. Because when who sa kronfo na ebe, omo ye suspect, you communicate with whoever okite sikano. As a policeman, obe stopping nipa nipo from going. Because enye sikano but onipa ni so. Sanke bia or stopping nipa no arresting kronfo ya, nke ya lose 2 souls. I'm not saying Sakronfona we no eno na eye me ya, but I'm saying that there are things that ye betimi asese ye kuma na no ama no aye nam ye de be ye adwuma ye enkoye disastrous. I mean enti uja wo duty post, a whole duty post, and I will follow one single being wa be yi sika na ode kono, and look at what happened. Look at what happened. Why would you do that? There were a lot of policemen. If you are on duty post and you suspect something, the best you can do, and he say, "Uja will duty post now call ye." All these are errors. Me feel say ye beti mi atwe ya adwen agina so na ya hwe na ya ye niema in a very nice and polished manner. Ye nkofa sa niema we nya enfamba. Again, when you take the bank, I am using this as illustration so that obeti dia me person make an say. Bank asem na ba ye no, me myself I have a personal experience. Se wo tie me and I want you to take it. Na wa hwe hu ye. Se wo ye business woman, na excuse my language, o wo sika kakra, enye se sika kakra ebu so. But o wo sika kakra ekwa wanim, ana o wo future investment bi a emu edo kakra. Wo sori anapa na hu se wo ye obi a wunya call pa. Na wo sori anapa fiti anapa kosi 12. Na wunya call. Now we show phone now phone is so call immediately. First place you should call is your bank. The first place you should call is your bank. Se obi tiemia. I feel say banks no yen for mon fambra kwan bi so. Se obi be you sika wo bank na nkrofo attacking the kwan so a bank ni ntia woka. At the end of the day, sika na wo bank on say ya insure, sika na wo insurance. Obi be yi ni sika ekọ na one place na they na repeating who 3 times. What are we doing about it? What are we doing about this? Ebia na enye ni papa ne bewu next time but innocent people, because I learned that when these people were running, no innocent man not in the car, no, they threw the man away and took his car. They went and crashed the car. Who is going to repair all these cars? I mean, there are things we can be smart as Ghanaians, we can be smart as people, we can increase our knowledge. Now you're calculating, you're stopping things from going bad. It's say obi wa only obi fi abrochira abesra no tie news bia. No be say Ghanaians, what is wrong with you? It's painful, it hurts. Again, bank asem na make no say wo sika wo ho na emu yedu kakra na se fiti anapa ko si 12 o'clock no won't take call bia. Immediately call your bank, immediately go to wherever and check your chip. This is what happened, the experience I'm talking about. I woke up one morning, this is about 4 years ago, 5 years ago. I woke up one morning na mi nya call bia wo mi phone so enti I'm like me pa na masori anapa na mi nya call, not even from my office, not even from my church office. So what is happening? Immediately and I may call one of my chip no area na me call catch am say me nya calls. What is it? Me share almost say me phone me chip no is being blocked or whatever. And I me see omuntwa foforo ma me tina ho na me twen no and na me wo bi e wo bank ho a o control me sika ma me. Enti nipa ne frɛ me say mami what your check ana? I said no. What is happening? Or say I have your check here. O say then wehu tie. What I'm telling you is that they have cankerworms in the banks. Some of the workers are cankerworms. They go through your system. No wehu will last check number which roye. No mama will date of birth. No mama will balance. No mama will phone number. They have people also with this networking. See, no mo akotwa wo number no within a short time no mo de ama oba afoforo enti no when they take your check to the bank will call your number and another woman will respond to your call no mo bisa ne say mami what your check wo last check I wo tro na ye saying unim wo balance wo date of birth ye den somebody some kankawem in the bank has given all this information to the robbers. Enti no omo bobo wuniama we nyina ma no omo free a onipa no so omo akronfo no ye group na obi afasa akọ no before you realize they have withdraw your money. You can go and buttress your case in the bank, but it will take the grace of God, or it will take a very long time for you to recover your money. So Mamema this apo, we a businesswoman, we a businessman. Now you be a wunya ko na wo sori anapa na hu se wo phone no, wunya ko obi the first place to call is your bank. Tell them say and that's obi the check ba ho no mo in your name, and they should arrest the person. Again, mama ye upgrade your banking system no. They ask normal question, what is your date of birth? What is your this? They should upgrade themselves, so they should upgrade themselves. Now I don't know why Ghana, we are behaving like babies up till now. We have what it takes. And then again to me increasing, improving. We can even do this thing now. Throw the panel on video call. The call that you are calling, it can be a video call. The person we can do all these things. We can even give secret numbers. Workers na when you sign a check, you have that security. A young crofo and a friend crofo say obi be yiska. And then they one place, one same branch, and as I way in our coso. Adentia, they be young crofo call. And then obi be that huge amount of money pay. Not this disaster coso. This is what I'm talking about. Communication, and they will interview people and now papa ni say and na omo ya ne sikale gu for mama crofo asisa. Ade a omu tututuo. Are they saying sent omu tututuo area ho nyina na police ni bi ani ho, and this one policeman was shooting. I mean, when you listen to the interviewer, I mean, if you were level-headed person, utimi hu say ade na nsisi so. And I learned to say Adamfo went there to interview them. No, almost omo busy. It was news. I stand to be corrected again. I repeat. How do we communicate? Say see ikra no smacks here etetari anui. Mumbra bonting and be proper education about it. Yare no enye airborne. Is it airborne? We want to understand. Why are we having all this nose mask? Obi onon kwati ni ke mukra. No she nose mask no. I want to understand. Is the sickness airborne? They should tell us so we know. Say yet na crowd minion Francis say anoa. Fine. We don't know whether say obi are infected. Is good. But aden almost obi answer. There are people when you see them, you realize they are sophisticating. Utimi say, "Oma humi esa." And so otika nim adie we bolenano in this heat. Mama young communicate this adie we ye na yama education and yama people will start dying after this virus. Right now, no, yet the fear and panic as we had malaria already. We were having our nose headaches. We were having all these shiverings. They are all symptoms. How are we educating people? Say ebia se who say uno se rani ana wo bowa eno conclude say yayama ayete say wo so air condition kra na wo famuda na sorry na wo chest block ya, you know you are going to die. And at the end of the day, it is our conscience. When your conscience o ma make catch say wo bon aye asinke wo wutrim wo dware 100 times the perfume we are singing a good trim kra na eye wo say wo bon. Into a communication. How are we communicating to people? Obit in the came no take away rolling glass in Inesi. I want to know if the sickness is airborne, then we know and talk about it. Education about this thing is too small. And Obibeka wants someone so most of the times, it's in English. Aya kakrebi and maybe so Ghana a crime partner. Ghana a cry happy ana stand the baby. Our communication, say young communicating, ya okachana nkofo so omonkotana dem they won't. Because communication na nkosuma nkofo no anti ase. This is Bible or say nkofo na wakuma na no anye namo a. Hwe ubetimi ama won eyowu o. Ade no bi bepese obekọ market no wakowu. This is the point amekasa kire hiafo nyina ase omunsusu. Na Bible say man shall not live by bread alone. Ade we ba ye ukọ market omo nko na omugu ho. Ebi hyede mu. Obesumo obi akodi dwa kra na wasomo hiani. Na wakwa akodi dwa ne de abre no. Momi yenhye ye hu ye ni yanhye ye hu ye beduru ba bi ye ba be ye sacrifice. Ama ebi num anya nkwan. Wanhye ni ye sika na wo pre na ukoduru market wo na wo pre no. Ubeba be ye sacrifice ama ebi num anya nkwa. Me ma ye mfa wo nya experiment o hiani. Me ye mfa wo nya experiment o. I say to me be smart enough. Eye yare na aba ebetwam sika na wo call market 1 week ito aso no. Have you gotten 100,000 Ghana? Sa wo yare koda ho sesi a. Enkola na wo kofa aduane abra omo edi no. Wo kofa aduane aba omo edi enyankwa. Wanhwe ni ya wo de yare bekwa komo omo nya ewuo. Aden na ye understanding ye difficult sir. Again, it is communication. Say you communicate well with the people. They would be able to stay back at home. Not yet saving and for life. Who ye leader? Ya elected wa a microphone na elected wo. Some microphone wa unye leader biom. Sometimes who ye mother. And now your father, who ye leader, who your sebi etu nipa no so. Sometimes no sebi obi nkwenti you have to go to extreme mile. And nothing ye share leader. Na me wo kraman bi obi oben mi bi anim se me don kraman ye. Na me wo kraman tintin bi ne ye friend ni chiki. Kraman na enkuraba flowers ni mu wo fie wonti omo de aduro bi di furadam omo de besisi ho no mo se omo ku nkura nti ne ye chain ni kraman no for 3 days. O da chain ni mu we su and I say okay and there so omo koda omo yiyi enkura na de na omo de asi wo nyina na omo lose kraman ne kakra anka minimum kraman ni def ade ni mu nso a 1 week na anka ne nkwa enye ne dia omo yiyi ye so omo eja ba ko ahye be Rocky Stone mu baabi na kraman ko refura dem no na kraman ni wuye. I have never forgiven myself for this. Enti sankrofo no sometimes wo show musu na wo show montiatie mu a one sure you will lose them, they will go and die, and you as a leader no they will blame it on your head. I saw Italian prime minister say ojina pulpit so kasa na osu or buy ni suo mempese ade wei menwehye se ade wei besi Ghana so da biara da awurade hye ye so kwan bi so na moma maso nye mre moma maso enye mre na monkose dem na monkwa ho hia. Sebi emu leaders na ewa hanom no sebi upia bonten a ukofa nuama na nyo no na wode koma no e na ukose dem a adwuma kofom a ono so affect no. You heard so say a light 3 months sika na ebi ni kwa ni oman ni mu sa light 3 months no a huge amount of money won kwenti no ka sa sedem se menye sedem wo se menye enkrofo ya omo blusu yen se yen koi ukokuro ma hwe enkrofo yi ni bisa me ho se when the idea waton kwanda nyina wo ni sika obedi ni 1 month ye bie wo 1 month na wo kwa de wo benya na na bembu bedi akote se Yesu beba na me bisa wo aden na moma ye yasem ye so difficult e wo krom ha mesre mu bebre market women moma mani bra from na monkose dem. At this point I continue to tell the president to support single parent with some omo support bi kakra. And also can single parenting na ka me be president one day ka mema na omo ware a omo wo omo sho omo ma no ka me castrate omo nyina akositire na me nya president we bless Jesus na me nya president so me ye preacher nti me ka kire wo a wo tie me ne se ye the lockdown bra wo se ko hye dem a ye wo a wo nkwanti sabe se wo pie na ne na makola enye na na adufie na wonam ho wo nkwanti no se kona ko hye dem efen so mamu ma ye ma contradictory informations. We can say now we so can say until it confuses the people. They refuse to get inside. You people should love us enough. You politicians, you should love us enough. Na mama yehu nukure wadie ba kubimu for once just to save people's life. We are talking about unity and communication. Someone come ho ambom na mo amaya ante asem baako ewo ye asuma enkrofo no will keep on getting confused and they would refuse to understand your laws and now your communications. I'm talking about unity and communication. My name Midin de Mami Grace. Obetimi follow your social media platforms ni nyina Facebook Mami Grace, YouTube Mami Grace, and Instagram Jerome 2020. Say TV any radio ni nyina is on our walls. Ubetimi akona wakotie se bia wada because it's 3:30 wada na wenti a ubetumi akɔhwɛ akotie wo YouTube, ubetumi akotie wo Instagram, ubetumi akotie wo Facebook. Maka to say follow your social media platforms ni na hu other stations Mami Grace wo honomo, so you can get along with no. Maka to say ye de another program hit with screens no very soon. It's called Mami Grace and Revelations. Sorry, we delve into issues koso wa sorry them. Ebi no mo bre, ebi mako bo instrument for ages. Eduane kra ya mo mu bi anda. Omo da sorry them mo menkrofo am mo koko omo no manya diabetes. At the end of the day no pastors ni so ko free instrument ni console ni wan omo akwaji aba omo kwaji wie ye na omo de ba omo antua ka ne ya pam nkrofo no. Ye di omo ba TV screen so ne ya fresh sofo na ba so on be hwa asem no nka ye frɛ wo no wan ba ye be frɛ sofo foforo aba no wa be ka asem ne ye make peace amanfo ewu wa sorry dem mu na sese ye purge Christianity sese ye detox ye ma Christianity detox esan say amanfo lose omo sanity wa sorry dem. We want to restore people's sanity. Midi ede Mami Grace, we are still talking about communication and unity. Say ya dwene anko benkro mu a yentimi enye bibibiara ma ye ho. Afa muma yen read this scripture, Genesis chapter 11 from verse 3 down. Betimi read akọ down. Afa me ba asofo ne ho. Asofo mesramu o, asofo mpanyimfo se sie di asofo bia. The other day obi frɛ me se mintie bibi e wa Adom FM. Na mitie wie ye no na me ra ho me se me se menti ememe bia no ye ya sei minim se ma nanka atemdidie ye omo talent se sie de mehu se atemdidie no eno so ye calling ebi mu ye gifted in insult. What? Na mitie wei e wo masumu ana se wo kan Genesis chapter 3 o say enkrofo no asofo no omo gada omo ho ubetimi ready omo gada omo ho e na omo say mumma yensi the strongest tower enfan koso ton tin yenfan say ye ho anuonyam onyankopon tra hodi no te ye no se da bi nkrofo we me confusium memo obi aka different language na omo ntumi nsi ade na omo si no. Listen, we ye Kristo ni na wutie mi a aya wo ka se ta de we kura na bu mabam na sori kura me mpese mi kobio. You don't have a case. Danyamia sise we nyina esi enyankopon ebepa ebinom ho ntoma no enyankopon the confusion be si ebinom ntam because of wo an innocent soul. Onyankopon be create confusion among some people na when who say esese wutumi fa wo Bible no enya prophecy o. I always tell people ye catch Israel for no so onyankopon be yi mu afim Israel asase so pe no mo punishment ni mu ye den eye nyame asem e na obetimi di abo enkomhye bi a wobenya no eban hwe ye catch yen se ye nkofie se wahu mu ana mo som mu asofo no won se wo kofie ebi mpo nim nyame mi bisa se asofo no sometimes nipa no ebi di mu achi keke anamo tete yom nyame suro esansa asori nye Sunday pe o church is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday na so ye hia wa asori 2-3 times a day a week wo tete nkrofo na nkrofo ni di wachi keke. Are you feeding them with the word of God? People are so much confused about Christianity than anything. And you confused with Christianity mu pocha inside ya som bosom. Adentia because unity no eni ho na nyankopon popese o scatter nkrofo bi no or the confusion the ba ye. It is a confusion ba organization bi emu a ebe scatter. Se confusion ba marriage mu agware no ebe gu. Se confusion ba company ni mu a company ni ebe gu. Se confusion eba parliament intimi nsi gina ye bia. Ye be ye stacked and we will be standing still. Edie ben na ye ho. Yama obia ye confused. Aware mu enkrofo ye confused. Osofo bi se we ni kunu ye okot. Na oba na tu afirifie. Osofo bi se we kunu no eye twempena ohun ye. Osi we ma me ye obayifo. Just a confusion everywhere. Dia minim ne senka so nyame fie de bibi ya wana udwane na wakɔhye ho. Se nyankopon fie pa kensa wo begye nka wo wiase anka wo so won faso. Ebia bre wa sori dem ho. Me say sometimes wo prayer word obi na wo singer bi ni shiwa. Na chese wo bisa ho se nyame anka omo mu ni bi no. Anka omo mu ni bi no. watch Revelations. Ebia sum, ebia tena sorry them 10 years, 15 years. Omu hu ano. Se kafra position po ye ma omu bi. And then me show won cry. Me show won cry se wo ho den. Na Onyankopon be bring confusion for your sake and for my sake. Se se won to me po nkasa. You dare not talk about what is going on. They will come after you. Na insult pa ni me se miti ye no na fe miti na miti ya condition mo so na me suati na me hu me ho but ni nyina is biblical asem no atro e de ato moma yenja omo na Bible say twabre ne so a obeyi ne de ye den ewom na wo a wo ye Kristo ni no e ma wa ba mu mbu enjai wugidie mu emfa nto hold the Bible de be convinced in your spirit, groom your inner man woni nyame en communicate ka tell rade say won to be down wedding kire me play mpo me da be so me adaye onyame ewo bia mu eyewo e na wo de wasem ko sofo no bompa ya e na wa ben nyame won so betimi aben nyame esansa the end of the day Bible say we ye nyina enyame waye nyina enyame wankata waye asofo enyame na waja church member. I want you to grow up as a child of God. I want you to get closer to God as a child of God. I want you to grab your Bible. So be convinced within your spirit. Grumi wu inner man no and ye kasa about unity any communication. Uye nyame ba edwuma na wo mu no wo be ye boss no omo a wo beto omo nyina wo frustrate omo umpa dadafo na ewo ho no e na omo so aye omo adwen so omo ntwen ma e na fe de edwuma na ye basa aware ba ko a wuti we ya na wo de aba emma no titiri oti we ya na de obi eja ne yere ni kunu ne mma ho because osofo obi se wukunu ye okoti nti wukunu yi wo ne na tena aware mienu nti obekun anko onkun obi akoke jaye obi because ni kunu ko twem ebusuafo mummy ani nda ho na salvation is individual. I keep saying this, salvation is individual, salvation is individual, salvation is individual. Mumma yenya ware yie, mumma yenjai say ye wo secret wo marriage sini mu no, mumma yenjai say ye confused e wo marriage na yeti mu no, adwuma na wowom no bu obia said your opra ho na mbepra wunya ba bi ntina. Said your cleaning one amba unya baby ntina se engineer na mbepra ambe pie fidie na umbetena wo no wakasa so the oti asem na ntia wo kasa obi a ntie said your phone number you can't do your phone in segment. We need each other. Let's get united. Mumma yentimi enti ye ho ase na yetimi anyini akoye nim so wo pese adwuma ne ye ati wukunu ase te wo yira ase so wo pese aware ne ye ati wukunu ase te wo yira ase te wo ma ase wo pese adwuma ne ye ati wo managing director tie wo workers no even the cleaner the security omo nyina aka ho na company ne ye company. If we want to grow as a country, Parliament monte mo ho ase se we no de bibia ba na wonte ase akire de enti a wonte ase na akire de onye na hwe se waye obi ye bibi no enwie no obi ba onto us we sense at the end of the day no it is the country that is losing resource enye ne awakọ no anania all ba no churches na ye me problem because I always tell you say that is where I belong. Nanka dede bi bekọ abontin pa nanka enye nyame fie mumma ye dododo ye hu asofo mumma ye se nka obi ya de na nya drive your car and go there. Why did you say, oh, they're putting power on them? Let it be in chambers. It's something we have baby Christians. When we do these things, they lose trust in spiritual things. Companies, almost some wonu grooming, what? Obi sumu, wasumu 8 years, wasumu 10 years. Grooming is a school, I'm my uncle. Se baby afanishe branch abiemano groom the people ma ehiafo embeye sikafo so that we sika na ubenya no de to a obi emme tata wo so eno waba abewia. Your scriptures no your first scripture your fa ye no your fa fi Ecclesiastes chapter 10 from verse 10 down. Your second scriptures your fa ye no your fa free Genesis chapter 11 from 3 down and no and e ka kire wo say sinsin wakumana no na ano enye nam na ba ne sa wonhia hoodin bebre e na wodi aye adwuma na Ecclesiastes so e ka kire wo se Ecclesiastes so ka kire wo se esese wutumi ema wakumana no eye nam na wodi twa bibia wadwuma no aye tie e de ama e na Genesis so e ka kire wo se Onyankopon e de confusion ba na confusion ba baabi a woye bibia enye yiye midin e de maami Grace Asemi a utie anadwumedie ya utie fi Global Eagle Revival Outreach Ministries here what Tema Community 18. Ubetimi abesra yen later on when our ban is lifted. Afen so no ubetimi afrɛ Maami Grace ene no abonkombo 0244860092 0244860092 0244860092 obetimi afollow ye social media platforms ni nyina Jerome 2020 Instagram, Facebook Maami Grace, YouTube and so Maami Grace. Every Sunday morning 6 o'clock watch Maami Grace live on Adum TV. Aya show your social media platform so ube other stations are may air wo honomo, so you come along with me. Revelations with Maami Grace is about to hit your screens. Oshe social media handles no so ubehu station na yebe wo honomo no makacho. We delves into church. We are here to purge Christianity. We are here to detox Christianity. Ye pese who say God and now Jesus is still in his miracle business. So wutie me na no pe ya Awurade ema wunye nhyira. Awurade ema wonte asiemu endore. Awurade ema wakuma na no enye nam. Na wutwa bibia wutwa no once na wen waste wo energy esanso onipa wohwere wo energy nyina wo ye weak bibia etimi etwifa wo so onyame mboa wo na wunya ntiase wo na semu esanso Bible said you na dwene ye ne ntanta no onya bibia ewo Awurade anim onyankopon ma wunye focus ewo wo faith ho onyankopon ema wonte na asem ase oma wonte na kwan ase oma wonte baby opese wokono ase otutu wanamo ma wa ubewie yie obi etimi start bibi enye obi a na otimi wie ni yie na se wotie me na no pa onyame emma with the grace to end well misha wunkran ehye wo den se ebesi wo yie na ebesi wo kra yie na ubewie yie esan Kristo a ohye wo din ti da sende Awurade emma ye ho kwan a ye besan ehye biom unuaba Maami Grace Macraw. Shalom, peace.